And LMS WordPress plugins are an excellent solution for people who already have a website on WordPress and want to teach online to monetize their knowledge or expertise. The LMS stands for Learning Management System. The plugin is an additional piece of code installed that adds features and functionalities to WordPress. So in case of LMS plugin, they add a bunch of pre-designed course creation functionalities, course templates, lessons, topics, registrations, enrollment, teacher and learner panels, and so on. The LMS plugin basically helps to streamline creating and managing online courses and subscriptions right on your WordPress. The plugin will automatically create a sign-up page, login page, course navigation and structure. It enables integration with online payments, subscriptions, and many other things. The final options and functionalities will depend on the type of plugin you choose. There is already a wide selection of plugins on the market, some free, some would require subscription. There are advantages and disadvantages of integrating WordPress LMS. I will talk more about that in my future posts, so stay tuned. But in short, WordPress LMS is an excellent solution for those who already have a WordPress website and want to start teaching online.